I am so bored. Hey guys, so I don't know what to do and I just washed my hair and I started doing my makeup, but you already know that I'm not going to go anywhere, so I decided to film a video, chat with you a little bit and to see what are you doing these days, because me, I'm in quarantine, so I just sit at home and basically do nothing. So what I like to do with my hair, as I said, my hair is washed and I like to air dry it a little bit, so that's why it was in a towel. And after that, what I like to do is I like to put this Schwarz, I can't pronounce this name, this Gliss Hair Repair. It's kind of like I think a leave-in conditioner. I like to spray it and it smells so nice and it helps my hair not to get tangled. And after that I take and I just brush my hair a little bit. I usually wear my hair straight. Maybe I will try to do something different for today's video, but I really don't know. And after that I will be just blow drying my hair, and then we're going to see what I'm going to do next. Guys, as you can see, it's not the prettiest view, to be honest, because my hair is so damaged, so I will have to iron it a little bit. I actually like my hair to have a volume, but I also like it to be straight. So I'm going to show you, like, this is kind of like a cool, you see, when it comes like this, I like that. So I will try doing something different. I saw one Instagram post where a girl ironed her whole hair, but she curled her bangs and she looked amazing, so I will try doing that. So as you can see, I'm just going to lightly iron it because I don't want to damage my hair too much. I ironed almost all of my hair. I left just my bangs, and now we are going to see will I manage to do something with them or not. So I saw that she's doing like, no, she's actually doing some stuff like, no. That's not it. Ew. What? I don't know why I even bother. I'm just going to straighten it because it's not like I'm going to go somewhere. But I kind of wanted to test new hairstyle. But what you can do. So this is probably my worst hairstyle ever, because when I curl my hair, then it's really hard for her to be straight. But never mind, as I said, I'm not going anywhere, so it doesn't matter. I'm just going to put it out of my face so we can start applying some makeup. What is happening in this world? What is happening? Because I feel like this is some sort of a really bad movie. Like, I don't know what's happening. I'm kind of scared a little bit, not for myself, but for the people I love. I'm really scared. I don't know what's going to happen with them, with me, with world. I had such a big plans for 2020. I was like, 2020 will be my year. It will be the best year ever, and now this is happening and I'm like, what? So what are your thoughts? What are you doing these days? Tell me. I live in Serbia and here people are not allowed to go out from 5 p.m. to 5 a.m. So you're not allowed to go out, you have to sit at home, because if you go out, police is on the streets and they will literally arrest you. So my life these days is just sitting home, watching movies, eating breakfast, eating lunch, eating dinner, then sleep, and repeat. And I also decided to film a lot of videos because I have a lot of time on my hands and I'm really bored and I don't know what to do. I decided to film a lot more videos than I used to film. I know people loved watching my videos one time, but now they don't really care about me. But I'm trying to get back on this YouTube thing. So it would really mean to me a lot if you subscribe to my channel, because I want to go out from this quarantine with 20k subscribers. That's not a lot. At least I think it's not a lot. I like to layer my concealers because I really need my under eyes to be brightened because they are not doing well. I sleep a lot, but they are not doing okay. So as I said, here is my mirror. That's why I'm looking that way. I'm going to be doing this kind of like goldish eye makeup. At least I can take a picture. And maybe I will film a couple of TikToks, because you see from my previous maybe 5 videos that I'm actually obsessed with TikTok. So that's why, what are we going to do today? Maybe I will take you with me and I will show you what I'm doing in my day. And I'm using this Sigma Warm Neutrals palette. I love this palette. This is my all-time favorite palette, and I'm so sad that they discontinued it. But what you can do? So let's try and make some cute eye makeup. Also guys, do you like this chain? Because it kind of gets a little rusty. I'm trying to find a jewelry that is not going to become rusty like really easily and really quick, and I don't want to buy like a real gold. So if you have any recommendations where I can find like cute jewelry that is not going to become brown after I wear it 2 times, tell me in the comment section down below. I'm, by the way, using the same eyeshadow, but you see, when you use a different brush, it kind of looks different. And yeah guys, I don't want this video to be negative, on a negative note. So now I'm using this shade, this kind of like a dark brown. And I will be just putting it here. You can try to recreate this makeup look if you want, because it's really easy. Okay, now we're doing pigment. Do you remember these little pigments from NYX that I used to love? I used to love them. I don't know, are they producing them anymore? But I used to love them so much that I actually did a makeup looks inspired with them. And my brush is wet. And now I'm going to apply some more, but just here, kind of like on my center of my eyelids, to make the eyeshadows pop a little bit more. Yeah, that is so good. I'm also going to highlight here. I'm also actually going to highlight everywhere. And I have to say that I kind of like this kind of like messy eye makeup. And I'm going to highlight under my brows, my inner corners. I love my inner corners to be highlighted. I love it. And now guys, I'm going to apply my eyeliner. My favorite eyeliner is NYX eyeliner. After that, I'm going to put fake eyelashes on my eyes, because what is makeup without fake eyelashes? And after that, I'm actually going to continue with my face. As you can see, now we're doing our eyeliner. I just love eyeliner. I have to always apply it. I discovered one really cool hack for applying like inner eyeliner, but I need kind of like a both hands for that, and my mirror is too far away from me, so I will have to apply it like this. But you can watch I'm testing out TikTok makeup hacks, because in that video I'm trying out that hack and it's really amazing. Like, I got some beautiful results. It was never easier for me to apply my inner like liner. Hey, I finished my eyes. Everything is finished, and now I'm just going to do, let me just move this. Okay, you can see it, you can see it, you can see it. Now you can't. Okay, I'm just going to quickly do my face. Now I will be trying to contour my nose. I'm trying to learn to contour my nose actually. Not too difficult, but you know. Now I will be baking here. I bake only around my nose because I don't want my face to be dry too much. And besides eyeliner, my second favorite makeup product is bronzer. Some more highlighter. Now we're applying a little bit of blush. Blush is also from Sigma. And what's left on my brush, with that translucent powder, I'm going to use it to kind of dust it all over my face, and that will be it. I'm going to put my hair down because I think it will be such a big mess. Yeah, it's such a big mess. And now for my lips, I'm going to be using this Rimmel's Cappuccino lip liner. It was my favorite lip liner one time, then I stopped using it, and now I'm just like, let's try it out again. This is kind of looking dark for my taste, so the lipstick that I'm using is Pink Sugar from Wet n Wild, and for my lip topper I'm using this Revolution, kind of like a goldish lip topper. After that I'm just going to fix my hair, like maybe to brush it a little bit and try to like iron it, and I'll be back. This is not possible. I managed to make this hair presentable. So yeah guys, this is my final makeup. I think I did excellent job. I'm so satisfied, and this is my final hair. So now I'm just going to go chill on my bed, watch movies, take pictures for Instagram, take TikToks. So don't forget to follow me on Instagram. You can we can chat in DMs, just slide in my DMs so we can chat, because I'm really bored. And you can watch my TikToks. The link will be in the description box down below, and as I said, it would mean a world to me if you subscribe to my channel. If you have channel, I will subscribe to your channel too, so I think that is going to be great, because I can't wait to make a tons of new friends here. And yeah guys, I love you so much, and I'll see you next time. Bye!